We were having water coming down the side of the walls where the downspouts were on the outside of the house. Started noticing water on the floor in the big room downstairs in the storage room.
There was mold and a moldy smell on most of the absorbent things in that particular area.
That was after we had remodeled down there, so, we started to see some wet drywall and stuff like that down close to the floor. So that's when we did some research and decided to give you guys a call because we didn't know where this, especially the back downspout, was going to. I thought it was great that they didn't have to do this on the outside of the house, that there was actually a way to do it on the inside of the house, making it easier for us not to have to repair all of our flowers, plants, trees that were out on that side of the house, where we could do it internally in the house and still get the same benefit of the water being drained out through the pump. The younger guy that was here did all the work outside, dug out along the house and stuff so that we could get a new pipe in from the back.
And you couldn't even tell that he went through the garden, and I was grateful for that.
Right, so when they got ready to leave after they had finished, we did a test. They showed me how to use the dehumidifier, what to look for in case something happened with the pump. So far, there's a big difference in smell, mold. They did a great job. They were really good about cleaning up after themselves, did a good job. They even took all of my drywall that I'd cut up and took it with them when they left, so I didn't have to get a dumpster in here to get rid of stuff. So I was well pleased.
And the fact that it was done in one day, that was another thing that we were so pleased about. One day, we said, there's no way they can do it in one day.
It was a long day, but they got it done in a day.
In a day. A long day, just the fact that they never stopped. They continued to work. And they
cleaned up, it was done.
Yeah.
We said thanks.
And I said, no way.
And off they went.
Yeah.
It was great.